Okay, so this is the offending item. The Bird's Eye 4 beef quarter pounders with plant protein. I've already tried them, they're disgusting. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to cook one of them so you can see the difference of like how much the shrinkage is, etc. Then I'll show you the texture. And no, I am not going to eat it. So I'll get on with cooking it and I'll come back shortly.
A few moments later.
Okay, so overall appearance looks pretty good. It's been cooked for the required 15 to 20 minutes as suggested on the pack. Shrinkage I would say is reasonable compared to the original. I'm just going to wait for it to cool down just a little. It's a bit too hot for me to actually show you the texture of it. So again, I shall break for a few moments. We'll get right back to it.
A few moments later.
Okay, well hopefully it's cooled down enough for me to actually be able to handle it. Now I'm going to show you the texture. I'm wearing gloves because I don't want all the crap all over me. Okay, so that looks nice and meaty, and you would expect that to be. It is like cat food. Look at that. Absolutely disgusting. Is that what you expect from a burger? Even my pet crow Russell turns his nose up at it. So guys, I think Bird's Eye have lost the plot. Avoid these like the plague. Just don't touch them. They are a complete and utter waste of money and they taste disgusting. Okay, that's that.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?